But just to get a little bit, just to get to know you guys a little bit more. So the questions will be very simple. Just pakilala lang kayo. Kung may gusto kayong pasalamatan. And lastly, the third question will be kung may gusto kayong i-promote. Like if you have social media pages, you have YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, there's a new avenue nowadays on how you will publicize yourself or kumbaga you post yourself. So ganun lang kasimple. Or any businesses na gusto niyo i-promote, na gusto niyo i-follow din namin. Because some of the hubs, they have burger business, they have mga seafood businesses. So kung meron kayong mga ganon, sige, i-promote na rin natin. Let's start off with hub number 2. Ay, sabihin nyo na rin kung ano hub number nyo kasi hindi pa lang kayo magkakasunod. Alright.
Start na magkakasunod. Yung 5, ano number yan? Bakit mo?
Hello.
Ay, magpapakilala nila.
Merry Christmas, everyone! And advance Happy New Year. By the way, a young soul right before you all, ripened from the farthest city of Negros Occidental. And I'm a fashion designer and also working as a business marketing at Barb's Europe Manila. So yung Barb's dyan po sa Barb's Bake Shop and Restaurant po. So this is actually my second time around sa napag-join sa pageant kasi I joined Man of the Philippines and I represent Negros Occidental. So honestly, I'm not into pageant. So I joined because I want to pursue my dream as well as a model. So it really taught me that I should always go further without fear of challenges, without a single thought of failure, without any feeling of surrender. So for everyone, please follow my songmate, Joshua A. Salibio, and also visit my site, Just Fashion Collection. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Yes, hub number 2, Joshua Salibio, and Just for Fashion, is that right? Just for Fashion, you can also visit the place na yan. Mukhang meron na tayong pwedeng future host in the future. Kung may mapalit sa akin. Eloquent and very good looking and of course, galing magsalita. Then, let's call it their next hub.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Ralph Christian Engel. Please do support me on my journey on Viva Max. Please follow my social media account, Ralph Christian Engel.
Very good at that! Alright, now it's Ralph Christian Engel, of course, he's doing Viva Mass right now. Kindly support the platform and his career as well. Good luck, brother. And syempre, our next hub would be...
Hello guys, my name is Christian Anderson. And I'm number 6. Gusto ko na i-promote yung social media ko, which is Christian Anderson sa Facebook. Then sa TikTok is YO_NAIT. Then sa Instagram naman po is same lang as YO_NAIT.
Alright, that was Anderson, Christian Anderson. That's YO_NAIT. Alright, so that's YO_NAIT for his TikTok and other social media. That's TikTok and Facebook. TikTok and IG, there you go. Alright, I'm pretty much sure tataas ang followers mo after this event. And now let's move on to our next song.
Good evening everyone. My name is Kenneth Avendaño. Follow niyo po ako sa Facebook ko, Ken Avendaño.
Thank you so much, Ken. You can follow him on the social media page as Ken Avendaño. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next song.
Good evening everyone. Follow na lang po sa Facebook ko, Ian Esmeralda.
Some of our hunks are quite shy pa, ayan, as of the moment. But I'm pretty much sure as you guys join more and more pageants, mas mahasa pa kayo ng mahasa. Kindly follow, support our hunk number 10, that's Ian Esmeralda. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next hunk.
Good evening everyone, I'm John Christopher Lagos. First of all, I'd like to thank my manager, sitting right there, Ben Escalante, and our management, Beyond Beauty. Please follow. Thank you.
Alright, good luck to you, hunk number 9. Thank you so much to his manager, of course, and kindly support, of course, their management, Beyond Beauty. Good luck to you as well, hunk number 9. Now let's move on to our next hunk.
Good day everyone, Alvin Joshua Copon, 21 years old, currently third year college from Bachelor of Science of Hospitality Management. And kindly please follow my social media account and Facebook, Agent Copon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother. But ano dito yung social media account mo? AJ Copon. Alright. Copon, that's C-O-P-O-N. Alright, I do apologize. F-O. Kaya pala tinitignan mo kanina na pinapronounce ko yung surname mo. My sincere apologies. Alright, so kind of all this AJ Coupon. Good luck to you as well, brother. And now let's move on to our next song.
Hi everyone, my name is Marky Natividad Morales, 23, from Tacloban City. Thank you.
Alright, Marky, good luck to you. Would you like to promote any social media pages? Alright, it's very private. Let's support that. But of course, we would love to support you in any of your endeavors. And of course, here at Manila's Finest Hunk as well. Now, let's move on to our last two hunts. Hump number 3, take it away.
Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Jimenez, 5'11", modeling. Like, who manage a farm. I'm a farm boy in Tigil.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Naka-farm ka. Lumaki ka sa farm. Farm boy. Alright. Nakita kayo ni Ali, tabi ko na. Kidding aside, of course, last but not the least, hump number 1.
My name is Marvin Romero from Rosario, Cavite.
Alright, that was short and sweet as well. Are you a farm boy as well or any? Alright, it's very private. Let's support him. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. All 10 of our hunks for this evening.